bottom of a smokestack is 35 degrees. So that is this angle right there. That's 35. The angle of elevation to the top of the smokestack is 53 degrees. That's this angle right there. Find the height of the smokestack. So, most everything we're doing here is about right triangle trigonometry. So the question is, how can we solve for this piece, which is just here? And what you can't do, you can't subtract 53 minus 35 and say that this angle is 18, because this would not be a right triangle. So you can't use any of the things that we know about right triangle trigonometry. What we can do is we can calculate the height. We have enough information. We know this side of the triangle, which is adjacent in both cases, and we know the angle of elevation. So we'll be able to solve for the height of the building plus smokestack, and then we'll be able to solve for the height of the building, and we'll subtract. That's how we'll get the height of the smokestack. So again, if I'm looking at the entire height of the building, that's all here, then I'm going to be setting it up as a tangent function. The tangent of 53 degrees equals this height divided by 200. I'll call it h1, okay? The tangent of 53 degrees equals the h1 divided by 200. So the h1 will equal 200 tan of 53 degrees. Right. If I set up to solve this, so that I'm looking for this height, right, I'll call that h2. That will be tangent of 35 equals h2 over 200. So h2 equals 200 tan 35. And the height of the smokestack will be h1 minus h2. So you could take a step and calculate these, or you could put it all in your calculator on one step. I am going to economize here and just use the example in the book. It looks like, in fact, they didn't even calculate each one individually either. So I will do that. That is 200 tan 53 is 29.2. And then I've got 200. Oh, actually, that last one was wrong. 200 tan 53 was 265.4. That sounds better. And the h2 will be 200 tan 35, which looks like 140 even. So when I subtract, I'm going to get 125.4. Right, that is the height of the smokestack.